Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here today. I'm excited to introduce to you the decentralized IP management system. This system aims to revolutionize the way intellectual properties is being managed, protected, and monetized in our increasingly digital world. So, by leveraging blockchain technologies and decentralized protocols such as the DKG, we can create a fairer and more efficient and transparent ecosystem for creators and users alike. So let's take a moment to consider how tokenized IP differs from the traditional ones. So, unlike legacy systems that rely highly on paperwork and centralized authority, a digitalized, tokenized intellectual property is dynamic, interactive, and easily accessible. And this transition provides several advantages. So first is the enhanced interactivity between digital assets, enabling a new forms of creativity. You can think of it as remixing someone else's work or being inspired by a certain script or intellectual properties and being able to give tribute to those creators. And second is the automatic enforcement of IP rights. So IP rights can be embedded directly into the digital assets, ensuring they are verified and protected. And third and lastly is the global reach of your IPs. Creators can distribute their IP globally without the barrier typically imposed by traditional licensings. So right now, the IP system is very fragmented, is or in silo like WIPO. Different jurisdictions would have their own IP laws and stuff like that. So that's what we're trying to build and conquer. And so at the heart of our decentralized IP management system is the collaboration between two key components. One, of course, is the decentralized knowledge graphs and programmable IP. So the DKG serves as a robust framework for organizing and querying data, while the programmable IP allows creators to define rights and rules for their IP assets. So together, they create a powerful ecosystem for managing intellectual property. The integration of DKG with IP management system offers lots of benefits by representing the programmable intellectual property as interlinked knowledge assets within the graph. So we can attach verifiable metadata, find out the provenance and IP rights information. And this not only enhances the discoverability, but also allows for comprehensive querying of IPs based on their attributes and relationships on any sort of applications that build on top of our IP paranet. And our system, we also introduced the IP licensing, leasing, this kind of management tool. And it's built on the blockchain. At the moment, we're building on Sora protocol and also the DKGs on NeuroWeb. Since the DKG is chain agnostic, and that's very helpful for us to collaborate between different chains. And our platform allows creators to easily license their IPs and set terms and manage agreements transparently. We use, of course, we use the smart contracts to ensure all parties adhere to agreed upon rules and fostering trust and reducing dispute. So within this, let's highlight the differences. Between traditional IP licensing and the Web3 approach. So traditional licensing often involves lengthy negotiation and has geographical limitations or even obscure terms. But in contrast, the Web3 system leverages programmability, which allows creators to specify rights in a clear and machine-readable format. So this automation, which streamlines the licensing process, make it more would definitely revolutionize the legacy system. Right now, if we can do the video, like I think I have a little video that would show the UI, that would show the licensing progress, the process of this system, if you don't mind. Yep, so right there. So you can set rules and put the price in. It's very much like an NFT, but with the DKG attached to it. And so each assets would have, the creators would have their graph, and also the assets would have their graph. Thank you. Thank you for showing the video, and I'll continue. Yep. So just now, we went through the whole process of how it works. So basically, the creators would have their digital identity on the protocol, and they would create their IPs, and then set rules and prices through the smart contracts and publish it. So as simple as that. So some examples: you can do visual arts, you can do any written work, audio work, or even codes or anything like that. Anything, everything is intellectual properties. Yeah. So a little bit of a recap. The DKG actually brings essential features to our management system by connecting different blockchain, being chain agnostic, enabling verifiable data exchange, and anchoring rights on chain. Intellectual properties are some of the most valuable knowledge assets, in my opinion, and the DKG provides the infrastructure to represent, query, and integrate these assets seamlessly. So this ensures IPs can be effectively managed and monetized in a trusted yet decentralized environment. So this is the UI that we ran through. So our first milestones right now for our decentralized IP management system will be to increase the volume of knowledge mining. As creators and knowledge providers engage within the system, they will be incentivized through a knowledge sharing economy. So the initial parachain offering. So by contributing quality data and insights, participants can earn various tokens. So create a fair exchange of value. This not only enriches the ecosystem, but also promotes the growth of high quality and actionable knowledge. So in conclusion, the decentralized IP management system represents a significant leap forward in how we understand and manage intellectual property. By harnessing the power of the DKG and programmable IPs, we can create a vibrant and innovative landscape for creators and knowledge providers alike. Thank you. Thank you for having me. This is the end of my presentations.